There. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon. So you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
हेलो दोस्तों और वेलकम है आपका MBT में। आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा एक ऐसी ऐप जिसमें आपको आपके सभी गेमों के लगभग सभी गेमों के मॉड्स मिल सकते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ओपन योर इंटरनेट ब्राउज़र, any one of the browser. I am using my Chrome browser. Now paste the link that I provided in the description. Now click on download AC Market. So it is showing, do you want to download AC Market.apk again? Because I've already downloaded and installed it in my phone, so I will not download it. You have to download and install it. So after installing it in your phone, open it. You don't have to create any ID using Google or any Facebook. Now these are the simple original APKs. You have to click here for mods. Now you can see we have the mod for Clash of Clans, Traffic Rider, Subway Surfers, Shadow Fight 2. We also have a mod for Asphalt 8. Now we'll try to in apps. You can see you have the mod for video effects. You can also see there is a mod for office suit. Vault, there's also a mod for vault. You also get mod for PixArt also. Now we will try to install one of these apps. Let's install this Power Director. My internet connection is slow. Power Director, I will install it. Now you have to click here to see your downloads. As you can see, Power Director is downloading. So it is a big app, or actually my internet connection is slow, so we'll try a small app. Next, yeah, this one is good. So we'll try to install this. This one is good, 16 MB. Now wait for it to download.